Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lesleyanne here. Chris and I popped out to the shops today. We wanted to get literally just a couple of things, but do you know what? You know what it's like, guys, don't you? It's fatal, isn't it? When you say to yourself, I just want a few bits. Fatal. Anyway, I had to go and get my medication from the chemist because I had a text to say that my month's medication is in, so I've got that. Where did we go? Initially we went to Aldi's, then we nipped into Poundland, we nipped into the Works, and then we went to the Range. So I will show you what we've got. I'll turn the camera around now. Okay, so medication wise, guys, I'm on loads of medication for everything that I've got wrong with me. If ever you're interested in me doing a video on everything that's wrong with me, health wise, then just let me know in the comments. I don't mind doing it, I don't mind sharing it at all. In fact, you know, sometimes it's quite useful for other people to know in case you have the same sort of issues. And yeah, just let me know in the comments below if you are interested. But I have a ton, as you can see, a whole load of medication for 1 month. And then on top of this, I have a delivery from a company who deliver my my biologic injections, which then they're delivered in a refrigerated vehicle, and then they have to go straight into the fridge, so they come separately. But anyway, that's medication done. Poundland. So let me show you what we got in Poundland. I'm going to start here. I thought these boxes were rather huge. You still get the same amount of tablets, but quite a big box, I thought. 3 packs of paracetamol. I always find it crazy that in Poundland you can buy 3 packs for £1. Everywhere else you can only get like 2 packs. Anyway, yes, so stocked up on those. Got some toothpaste. Now we use the Corsadol for the mouthwash, but I haven't used the actual toothpaste before, so I thought I'd give it a go. And this was actually £1. Some things are not £1 anymore, are they, in Poundland? But this one was. I needed some more little cotton pads, so got those. These little lollies. These are Halloween ones, and they're the super sour lollies. They were reduced down to 50p, so I just grabbed those. Wanted some more command hooks. So this is for something like a little DIY project that we're doing. Once we do it, obviously I'll share that with you. I'll show you the gum. We've got 2 lots of gum, sugar-free gum. Got the, what is this one? Both sugar-free anyway. And so there's this one, the extra one. And then this is like the menthol one. Now, for one of our grandchildren, currently he's the youngest until Hannah has her baby in April. So right now for Christmas, he's the youngest, and he's into many different things. So we decided we would do him like a toy box of lots of the little bits that he likes. Hot Wheels is something that he's really into at the moment. So we started to collect some Hot Wheels. These were, I think, £1.50 each in Poundland. So we've got this one. And I thought that one looked really sort of fun for him. All the lovely bright colours. because he'll be 4 in January, and then this one, and then we can add to it and put all the other little bits and bobs that he likes in his little toy box. Got 2 of these for Chris. They were $1.75 each, or 2 for £2. Chris isn't a crisp lover, but he does like these, and these ones have 3 different flavours. So you've got the original red Leicester and the smoky barbecue, so 2 of those for him. Stocking filler wise for 3 of my boys, the ones that do not have any children, well, the ones that aren't married, they don't have any children, I still do a stocking for those. It says more about me than it does about them. It's just something I like to do. And obviously, you know, when the time comes and they have their own children, then that money that I would spend on their stocking will go on to their children. Anyway, so picked up 3 of these. So this is the Africa one, yeah. The Africa Lynx body wash. I've got 2 nosy dogs. You've just had your treats. Yes, you have. 4 of these actually, because I got 1 of these for Hannah's other half, for her Luke. And I thought these were a little bit different. So you've got the deodorant, the body spray, and then you've got a pair of socks inside. So I've got 4 of those. I got for their stockings, for the 3 boys, I got them munchies, and those for Chris, the little Milky Bar sort of bites. They're for Chris's stocking. I've got this beautiful little Christmas tree. This was, I want to say it might be £1.50. I can't remember actually, but it does glitter. I don't know if you can see that sort of twinkling away there. This is actually for my Christmas cake. I'm going to stand it in the centre of my Christmas cake this year. Then I saw this book in there, and it's got Luke's cookbook. So I'm going to give it to Luke actually, but it has some great little recipes in it. It was £1.50, originally £20. And you know me, I love a cookbook. Well, look, there's my cookbooks. I love them. So you've got nice recipes. Fillet of beef welly, spiced roast leg of lamb, steak and kidney pie, chicken curry, got retro feasts, beans on toast, look at that, lamb cutlets, sausage rolls, smoked haddock and crab cakes. I just thought, do you know what? It looks like a really good book. So I will be sitting down later on today, having a good look through this. I just love a cookery book, honestly. Crab on toast. Now he, I think, is one of the youngest chefs. Yeah, by the UK's youngest head chef. So that was that. Also for my Christmas cake, I'll just quickly say I went into the works and I got these, the wooden reindeers. I will take the little stringy bits off because they are used for sort of like tags or to, you know, craft with. But I will take those off, and some of these will be used in the background of the tree on my Christmas cake, along with, how cute is this? Look, this dear little house, this dear little cottage. And I will probably put some sort of snowy stuff on the top of that. And then finally in Poundland, I saw this. I've seen it in there before, and I was tempted to pick it up before, and I don't know why I didn't, but I did today. So it's a serving board. There we go, and it's in the shape of a sleigh. And I thought that is a really nice sort of cheese board, isn't it? Really, really nice. They actually do like a wine bottle holder in the red. I didn't get it, but I might get that next time. I did and I wished I had now. That's always the way. Anyway, that's everything from Poundland here. Now let me go across to Aldi. Right, okay, Aldi. I got a stollen for Christmas, so that will go away. And this is the one with the marzipan. Not all of them do have the marzipan, but this one does. It has the like a nice soft marzipan going through it. And to my mind, it has to have that to be like a nice stollen. I picked up some baking potatoes, big bag of baking potatoes. They were 99p. Cannot remember how much that was. I did get some more paracetamol because currently Chris isn't very well either, and he's taking paracetamol a lot at the moment. And so yeah, I just got some more. I got some reduced fat coleslaw. I got some reduced fat Brussels pate. I got this for Christmas. I was going to make my Christmas pudding, wasn't I? And I got all my ingredients to make it, and I still haven't made it. And now I feel it's not going to have long enough to really mature. So I ended up buying one. The ingredients that I've got will still be used, so they won't be wasted. But this is something a little bit different. So it's a traditional with all of these yummy ingredients, look. But right here in the centre, you have got a sticky toffee yumminess, gooiness that will all kind of come out. My Josh will absolutely adore this. Candy canes for Christmas. These I have to just put so many out at a time because honestly, Luke, who's a 30-odd-year-old guy, is like a 3-year-old child with them. Just saying. Got some more cheese. So the cheddar, this was, I think it was £4 something, but it's 900 grams of the mature cheddar. Eggs are becoming a problem to buy now. There's a lot of rationing on eggs. It's currently in some of the supermarkets, if you do an online shop, they're not available unless you buy the really expensive ones that are like £3 for half a dozen. And I will only buy a free range egg anyway, but I managed to get these in Aldi's. There wasn't many left though. I bought a cake board. Whoops, what if I just dropped paracetamol? Hold on, guys. A cake board for my Christmas cake. I thought I'd go gold this year, so I got that. Over here, I've got some cold beef slices. So you've got your top side of beef slices ready for a sandwich. And it looks like they've got lumpy, bumpy bits on, but it's just purely the packaging. I don't know why it's like that, but if you can see, it's like pushed up from the back for some reason. I don't know why, but I've got some really nice hot horseradish sauce that I bought the other day, so that will go nicely with it. Mushrooms, I got some chestnut mushrooms. 2 packs of bacon, of the smoked back bacon, and then 2 packets of these crisps to put away for Christmas. So these are the specially selected ones. So there's turkey and stuffing, hand cooked crisps, and then this one is fiery pigs in blankets. So they'll go away for Crimbo. I picked up this to go with somebody's Christmas present. So the present I've got them it does require having a cleanser. And I've used this one before and I think it's absolutely great. And so I know that she will love it. So it's the vitamin C daily cleanser. So yeah, it's a brightening one. So I've got that. And then finally from Aldi's, got a new mat to go inside the front door. And We Wish You a Merry Christmas, got that one because I thought that was really festive and not too sort of garishy. Right, then we went to the range. So from the range, I got this ribbon for my Christmas cake. Whoops, put that over there. Got this ribbon for my Christmas cake. So I thought that would be absolutely lovely all around the outside, you know, the edge of the cake. Chris has bought these. They're sort of like Scrabble pieces, but they're for a DIY thing. I don't know if you remember. You know when recently I've done like these little peg dolly things. Chris has made chess characters, and so he's currently making a chessboard, and he wanted some of these that he can sort of like paint over, etc. So they're for him. And then finally at the range, because they were such a great price, oh my gosh, we've got these. They do light up. I think this one was $12.99, and I think this was $14.99, and they are going to be stood either side of the fireplace in the lounge at Christmas. I just thought they're beautiful. Aren't they lovely? Lipstick of the day, my lovelies. If you are interested in which lipstick I'm wearing, I'm actually wearing this lip gloss. It's an Avon one, and it's the lip gloss Nourishing Shine. I cannot remember the colour, and I can't see it at the bottom. It's far too small for my eyes, but it is very easily identifiable, and I will pop it down in the description box. But it is very, look, it's very, very nice, very moisturising, but not at all sticky. You know, some of them are quite stringy and sticky. This one isn't at all. And if you are interested in having a look at Avon online, I have got my little Avon website listed down below in the description box. Just go to where it says more, click that, and then it'll take you down, and it's listed down there. So, you know, have a look. And they have got some amazing prices at the moment, Black Friday, all the rest of it. So now might be the time, you know, to have a look if you're interested. Of course, no pressure whatsoever. And I do really want to thank everybody who has supported me throughout the whole time that I've been doing my Avon, for buying, and I know how much you love it, otherwise you wouldn't keep buying it. And so yeah, we are Avon buddies, aren't we? Yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you. I hope you've enjoyed my shopping haul of the 3 shops that I've been to, or was it 4 shops? Aldi, Poundland, quickly nipped into the works, and to the range. So 4 shops that I went into. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next video, my lovelies. Take care, everyone, won't you? Bye for now.